Tell you, sometimes it's great to come back to a place you've already shot before. There's always something different. You know, the sky could be different, your mood could be different, but you end up getting something quite often that is as good, if not better, than the first time you went there. Slept a little late this morning, so I couldn't go too far, but I drove over to a place called Harriman State Park, and there's a street called 7 Lakes Road, and guess how many lakes it drives right by. I stopped at one of them called Lake Tiarati, and I look out, it looks like it might be a nice sunrise, and I got some nice interesting rocks in the foreground. So I'm going to get my camera and see if I can get some shots this morning. So, pretty simple composition. I've got these 3 rocks in the foreground, got a little island in the lake in the middle, but then the sun should be rising over the hill over there. I've got this tree on the left which overhangs the scene, which I'm not sure I like. I think it might work pretty well. I'll stick with this composition and see how the sky turns out. I've got my camera on a tripod with a 3-stop graduated neutral density filter with a hard edge because that horizon line is pretty clean. I'm also using a timer, a self-timer, 3-second timer, so I don't have to touch the camera, and that reduces camera shake, and that will improve the clarity of the image. So I'll take some shots and see how they turn out. Well, starting to get some color in the sky. I'm not sure you can see it back there, but still about 20 minutes before sunrise, but the clouds are starting to pick up some of that color. And so I'm gonna keep shooting. I'm excited. I might get something great, I might not, but if I didn't get up and come here, I would get nothing. One place I might stop on the way back, there's a stream that runs off of this lake. I'm going to give that a shot too, see how that works out. On my way home, there's a little stream that runs off that lake where I was. And so I had to find a place to stop on the side of the road. But I found a decent spot, and it's a pretty little stream, so I gotta cross it somehow. But I figure I'll give it a shot. Maybe I'll get some pretty images. Well, those rocks were a lot slipperier than I thought, and so I went back to my car. I got my hip waders on and I crossed over a shallow part of the stream. I'm not sure it was totally worth it. You can see it back of me. It's a tiny little waterfall. It's kind of cute, but the surrounding area is not too good. So I'll take some shots here and see how they come out when I get them on the computer. Well, still just 6:30 in the morning, but I think I'm gonna head home, maybe get a nap. Hey, if you like this video and some of the other ones, just hit the subscribe button in the lower right corner, and I'll keep making them. Until next time.